Welcome, I'm Alison. I am your Feel Good Movement coach, and I am delighted that you're going to be joining me on Saturday, the 7th of October, 9:30 till 11 o'clock for a guided trigger point Pilates class. So I wanted to share a few details with you, and I thought I would be perfect to do it over a video so that you get to see me, for those of you who don't know me, and you know where you're coming. So as I say, it's in Oxhill Manor Barns, 7th of October. If you could arrive just a few minutes before 9:30, we'll then take you for a 75-minute class, and then at the end you can stay and have a lovely cup of tea, piece of cake, and ask any questions, or if you have any, and hopefully feel very calm afterwards. So just to let you know, we start on a foam roller. I provide all the equipment. If you can just bring a mat and some water if you would like some, and a small cushion if you would like. I have got spares, so you can use mine. Anything to make yourself comfortable, relaxed, and I also provide the trigger balls, and these are amazing for releasing any muscular tension and tightness in your body. So the class is a relaxing class. We start on the foam roller always to relax the spine. And it just settles us down. We connect with our breath, and then we move through some simple Pilates exercises using the balls and the foam roller to release and relax any tightness, and also it encourages the tissues around our body to ease, which then, once the tissues are relaxed, our range of motion is better, range of movement is better, flexibility comes then. Pilates exercise is inevitably we sort of connect with the core, with our breath. And so it's a really lovely combined class that at the end, I hope you feel relaxed, unwound. We might have released any little knots that might have appeared, maybe in the shoulders. We place the balls in various parts of our body, including the bottom and in the sacrum. And this, allowing a bit of compression, releases and relaxes any tension. So it's perfect for a comprehensive self-massage. So join me on Saturday. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you've got time to stay for a drink and a little snack, which I provide, it'd be lovely. If you've got any allergies or anything like that, again, please let me know. And I will also be selling these balls. So I have a selection of these balls at the end that you can buy. And they are going to be £16. So if you haven't got any already, they'll be available. And then you can take them home and have a little bit of a self-massage for yourself. I will also be doing a little worksheet where I'll be showing you some simple exercise that we will do during the class, and then you've got a little list of what we're doing, and you can practice for a home workout as well until the next one. So I do these monthly, and you're joining me on Saturday, 7th of October, and I very much look forward to seeing you. And as I say, any questions, please let me know. Bye for now.